Assalamualaikum everyone. I am a student of Young Scholars School and College. Today I will talk about fundamental roles for good studies. Studying is very important for us. To study well, we must listen carefully in class and do our homework daily. We should ask questions when we don't understand something. Revising our lessons daily makes learning easier. Watching too much TV or playing games for a long time can distract us. So, we must manage our time wisely. Eating healthy food and sleeping early keep our minds fresh. We should also respect our teachers and follow their advice. Reading books every day increases our knowledge. Hard work and discipline always lead us to success. If we follow these simple rules, we will do well in school and make our teachers and parents proud. At Young Scholars School and College, we learn these good habits and apply them in our studies. Our teachers guide us to become better students and achieve success in life. I am proud to be a part of this wonderful school.